What if I told you, your messy closet could be fixed for under $50? Today, we tested the top 5 portable closets of 2025, and number 2 sets up in 10 seconds while holding 3x more clothes. Stick around because one of these will transform your space instantly, and number 5 costs less than dinner. Starting at number 1. VTRIN Portable Wardrobe Closet. The VTRIN Portable Wardrobe Closet's a practical solution for your storage needs. This freestanding closet is designed to fit in any corner of your room, saving space while keeping your items organized. With a generous size and multiple storage options, including 4 hanging rods and 4 shelves, you can easily store clothing, bags, and accessories. The cover protects your garments from dust, ensuring they remain clean and tidy. Plus, its sturdy construction supports significant weight, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Assembly is straightforward, allowing you to set it up quickly and effortlessly. Number 2. VIPEK Portable Closet Rack. The VIPEK V50 Closet Rack is designed to maximize your storage space while offering impressive durability. With a generous load capacity of 1,300 pounds, it can easily handle heavy garments and accessories, ensuring your closet remains organized. You can customize the rack to fit your needs, whether you prefer an L shape for tight corners or a straight-line design for larger spaces. This versatile wardrobe is not only easy to assemble but also constructed from sturdy materials that resist moisture and dirt, making it a long-lasting solution for your clothing storage needs. Number 3. VIPEK Portable Closet Wardrobe. The VIPEK V5 Portable Closet Wardrobe is a heavy-duty clothes rack that features 4 hang rods and 8 shelves. With a load capacity of up to 800 pounds, it is ideal for organizing and creating extra storage space instantly. The closet rack is multifunctional and can hold clothes, accessories, bedding, shoes, and more. Made of high-quality iron, it is sturdy and durable, and easy to assemble. Its dimensions are 68.9 inch L x 15.7 W x 76.4 H, making it perfect for use in the bedroom, laundry room, or walk-in closet. Number 4. LOKEME Portable Wardrobe Closet. The LOKEME Portable Closet is designed to provide a strong and stable storage solution for your clothes. Its reinforced steel pipes, measuring 19 millimeters in diameter, ensure that the structure remains upright and secure, preventing any risk of collapse. With ample space, including 3 hanging rods and 6 shelves, you can conveniently organize both hanging garments and folded items. The high-quality non-woven fabric cover helps protect your clothes from dust, keeping them tidy. Plus, the simple installation process, with clearly marked parts and instructions, makes it easy for you to set up your closet without any hassle. Number 5. SORCEDAS Portable Wardrobe Organizer. The SORCEDAS Portable Closet offers generous storage space with its 34.6 inch L x 17.7 W x 66.1 H dimensions. It features 4 shelves ideal for organizing folded clothing, socks, and accessories, while 2 hanging rods are perfect for coats and skirts. Constructed with a sturdy metal frame, this wardrobe can support a significant amount of weight, ensuring durability. The high-quality non-woven fabric cover protects your clothes from dust and dirt, making it a practical choice for long-term use. Assembly is straightforward, as each part is numbered, allowing you to set it up with ease. So which portable closet is your perfect match? Find it out in the comments. Down arrow all the best deals are linked below, some are even on sale right now. If this video saved your closet insanity, smash that like button, share with a friend who needs organization, and subscribe. We've got more life-changing space hacks coming. Now go claim your clutter-free zone.